Nail fungus may seem like a small issue, but it affects millions of people worldwide. It starts as a tiny yellow spot on your toenail or fingernail, but over time it can spread, causing thick, brittle, and sometimes painful nails. For many, it's not just a cosmetic problem, it's something that affects confidence and daily life. So how can you fight back against nail fungus? Let's start with natural remedies. One of the most popular and effective remedies is tea tree oil. It's well known for its antifungal properties. By applying a few drops directly to the affected nail every day, many people notice a reduction in discoloration and thickness over time. Another helpful option is a warm apple cider vinegar soak. Just mix equal parts vinegar and water and soak your nails for about 20 minutes. The acidic environment helps slow fungal growth and creates conditions where fungus struggles to survive. You can also try baking soda paste. When mixed with water and applied to the nail, baking soda helps balance pH levels and can make it harder for fungus to thrive. And let's not forget the importance of good daily habits. Keep your feet clean and dry, wear breathable shoes, and trim your nails regularly. Small changes like these make a big difference in preventing fungus from coming back. Now, while these natural remedies can help on the surface, fungus often develops deeper from within the body. That's why many people find that topical solutions alone aren't enough to completely erase nail fungus. This brings us to a powerful solution that works at the root: Kira Biotics nail fungus formula. Unlike surface treatments, Kira Biotics is designed to support your body from the inside. It helps strengthen your immune system, balance gut health, and create an internal environment where fungus can't thrive. The result? Clearer, healthier, and stronger nails that last. And thousands of people are already turning to MetaNail Complex as part of their nail fungus erasing journey. If you're ready to take control and finally restore your nails, check out the link in the description below. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bells so you never miss more natural health tips and solutions. Stay healthy, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.